literal,
Hmm.
float literal.
Float.
Right? So these are data types.
These are data types mixed values.
Functions. Now come to print is a function.
Hmm.
Type is a function. ID is a function.
Hmm.
Length is a function.
Hmm.
You got a complex.
Complex is what? Data type. Complex is what? Data type. Complex is data type. So whenever if I have if I want to assign this data to a memory location, so it is clearly indicating that you can't assign to literal. So then what I need to do, I need to change this number memory location. I want to keep a name for the memory location. I want to keep a name for that memory location. Keep a name for that memory location. Every memory location must be named. Keep a name for that memory location.
Any variable, right?
Anything I say.
Okay. ABC, right?
ABC. Okay.
Print now ABC.
So now if you run this code, you will get 26. Okay.
This a type of function, kada? Ready? It's
Next.
a type of function where there is no strings.
Which one is
This one.
this one? What?
This print function.
Print is a function. What is the
This
meaning?
is type, but there are no strings.
No. What is the role of print function?
Goal of print function is to type the variable ABC.
To see the result on the
uh,
screen.
string.
Okay. Next is what? Next which type of data?
अगर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट है दिस यू नो सी हम लोग हमेशा प्रिंट में मैंने ज़्यादातर प्रिंट में बताऊँ क्या प्रैक्टिस किया था प्रिंट स्ट्रिंग्स को मैं प्रिंट सिर्फ स्ट्रिंग्स के लिए इस्तेमाल करती थी मैंने पहली बार आई थिंक थोड़े दिन पहले तुम दिखा रहे थे
Print. It can be used.
ABC and variable
You need to say as a student. ABC is what?
memory location.
So that memory location must be. I told you that memory location must be. Every memory location.
ABC memory location. 26 and data. 26 and
You say
నువ్వు చెప్తే నువ్వు కొడతాడు 2 రోజులు దాంట్లో దాని కథ దాంట్లో
26. You need to say that 26 is what?
ఇట్స్ వేరియబుల్
Meaningless. 26 is variable.
26 is integer.
What is next memory location?
ABC ఏంటి ఇక్కడ నాకు అంత చెప్పచ్చు I'm confused ఉన్నా
I told you many times.
ABC is memory location. So the data which is stored
That memory location named.
name. Okay. So back goal the name of memory location.
So many times I told you that.
Memory location.
Always memory location must be named. That is called.
Okay. The data which is stored in memory location is called variable.
Why it is variable? Why variable?
Because it changes. We can change.
Now if you want to change this value, you can change.
The data which is stored in memory location is called variable. Why variable? Because we
The
can
data
change.
which is stored in memory location is not called variable. In memory location, data will be stored. That is any type of integer float. But that memory location you named, that is called variable.
Okay, the data which is stored in memory location and
That is any data type, integer float, whatever. That location you named is called variable.
The data is stored in memory location is data type.
Any data type.
Memory location is data type. And it can be any type of data.
Next, what is the next memory location?
All. It can be any type of data like integer, float, data, boolean, and strings.
Next is
See, the data which is stored in memory location is called data type, and the name of the memory location is variable.
Next, what is next memory location? One location we renamed. Next memory location is what?
One location rename, next location is what?
Next memory location. We started the memory location from where? From which number?
1000.
Next memory location is what?
1001. You write
Now 1000.
1001 pk sir. I know 1001.
So you rename it.
ABD.
ABD.
ABD is equal to 0.25.
Is equal to
0.25.
25.
Now print ABD.
Okay. Okay.
No tappu. Print ABD.
Okay.
Next. A B C D E A B E.
So
ABE.
every time you keep suitable names to the memory locations.
Okay. Then this is
Suitable,
practice.
you practice suitable names.
Okay. To Japan. Okay, right. Country. Country.
Country.
Is equal to
Country,
Japan.
which location is named as country? Which memory location is named as country now?
Which location?
Which memory location is
1002.
1002? Country,
Japan.
Japan. How can you represent Japan?
Country is equal to Japan. Right? Japan. Strings.
String, how? String will
Double
be
quote.
double quotation or a single quotation? Okay, Japan. Now, see, this is which location? Memory location. This is which memory location? ABC is which memory location?
1000.
So really you want to see whether it is 1000. We can see that memory location, whether we can see.
With the help of ID.
So syntax is what? Syntax.
Print bracket ID.
Good. Print देखा अच्छा practice होने से print bracket ID. Next. So that location you need to call that location na.
Print bracket ID bracket
Hmm.
ABC.
Yeah. So you will get what is the address, memory location, what is the expected answer?
1000.
Whether we will check it. What is the memory location?
1.
Why not 1000?
Because उसमें ये तो हमने example
Just
लिया है.
assume. We assumed. But practically it is storing there na. Practically it is storing there.
To find
But we are assuming that.
print
Practically it is storing there.
ID.
But we have assumed memory location as 1000.
और सारा क्या हुआ?
Whenever I have started to store the values in
Print ID ABC comma bracket. Afterwards आ गया.
so now this data stored, it is a literal. It is what?
बोले कब लगवाए?
This is a data type, na? Which type of data type it is?
Japan.
This is.
Integer.
Now you want to confirm that whether it is integer. You want to know that.
I know it is integer.
How? How can you prove that?
So write print.
Can you?
जब print bracket int
Print.
bracket int
No. There is a function to know it is integer type of data. There is a function I told you many times.
to know.
Which type of data it is?
Write type.
Type. Then what?
Print type
Then-
bracket int.
No. Always you need to call the memory location.
Memory location ABC.
Now if you run this code,
So practice makes a man. Now I'm getting.
now which type of data it is?
ये निकल देगा तुम्हें. ये निकल ना print type bracket.
I will show which type of data now it is.